What up, what up? Zach Bradshaw, long-winded guy, back once again, talk about some charts. Um, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just teaching myself how to trade. You should do it too. And this is trading journal number 30 or some such. It's basically, I don't know, I'll probably call the post that goes with this alt season or something like that. I'm not quite sure that this will be the video for that because I have another meeting at 10:30 and I need to um, do like 10 minutes of prep for that. So we will see if we get to the other charts, but I basically need to redraw my levels or see what levels exist on these charts and, you know, make a reset my plans basically. So I've taken a little chunk of my Bitcoin that was on Coinbase and I've moved it over into my HODL wallet. I would have done the same thing with Ethereum, but Ethereum transaction fees right now are like 2%, and that's dumb. So I'll just wait to send that. But basically, what I'm doing is I'm going to be more disciplined about trading these ranges as opposed to basically looking for long-term positions with that, with that HODL position included. And it was just always kind of messing up my trading to always say, well, I'm not going to sell this amount of Bitcoin. And so I wasn't able to get in and get out exactly how I wanted. And couldn't necessarily track my total portfolio value of just my trades versus the part that I was never going to touch. Depending on whether these transaction fees ever come down, I may or may not do the same with Ethereum, putting a piece of it to the side. I have a little bit of it, but I was going to throw, it would have been 10 times as much as what I have thrown aside on Ethereum right now. Bitcoin, by comparison, I about doubled my stack, so I put in about the same amount that I had. And we will see whether I believe in Ethereum, but I do believe in the chart for Ethereum and what it's saying, and so really the chart for Bitcoin. And so again, this video may turn into an altcoin season video because I might start to look at a couple of these other coins because one of my friends recommended Balancer, and so I bought some of it, and I'm in a massively losing trade on that one. It was only $50 I threw on it, but I want to sort that out and then look at some of the other coins that I used to track before, and still have little baby stashes of some of these. But let's get into Bitcoin. Looks like I need a horizontal right here. We'll make it a little thin one. Yeah, perfect. We could probably make this a range and maybe even extend this up to here. I'm pretty much just going to leave that as it is, and I'm actually just going to save this one because Bitcoin chart is done. Hasn't changed much. Let me just look at some different time frames, see where we're at. Looks like the daily Stokes recently turned up. Any trend lines on those? Nope, looks pretty good. Is the 12-hour Stokes still turned up? Looking like it's considering turning back down. These Stokes are on the market, in my opinion. When they turn down, it's down. When they turn up, it's up. Period. 6 does it as well, just not, you'll get a couple more fake outs because it's a lower term time frame. I'm not sure 6 is ready to turn around right now, so I think that the 6 will probably lean into the 12. It'll have to like bounce off of this or something. I don't think that's going to happen, so I'm probably going to set in some stops on this. Certainly breaking this level, I'll set in some stops. This may be a small rebuy or bounce point, but I'm anticipating lower prices. Is just looking at this chart. I think we're coming back down here, but don't listen to my stupid predictions. That's not what trading is. But we will see. Now onto Ethereum. Definitely need some new levels on this thing right here. I'm just gonna move this one down a little bit. I know it's now we kind of lose the touch here, but I like it a little bit better because it also is a little bit closer to that. Kind of splits the difference between these two, and then it hits about the open close of this doji candle, and then bases that up on the close as well. Um, Man, this line looks like it is not as important anymore. It's kind of got blown through several times. But I guess it didn't. Man, if I make it a little bit lower, it never really got closed below except for this fake out, which is on brand for Ethereum. So maybe I'll do that, and I'll leave it. Man, it kind of still needs that thickness, doesn't it? Let's leave it at 3 on the thickness. Now I might need to. I'll just thicken these up just a little bit. Because Ethereum could be on its way down here. I'm just not sure what's happening now. I don't know if these altcoins are gonna pull Bitcoin up or what. This chart over here is still like trapped in this range. This thick lines, I think, is going to be here for a while. Is how it looks, but right, predictions are not what we're doing here. We're setting in levels to make decisions based off of creating decision points. I like a little zone. Right there. Golly, that's too much. Um, there's too many little crappy little levels in here. I don't like it. But that's fine because I don't know what is going to happen. I don't have any really good idea of what's about to happen next. Sometimes it's easier to tell. These 12-hour Stokes are still just screaming to the upside. Let's see what these sixes look like. They haven't turned down. No, they have, because they were really high. Okay. So I guess, well, I could look at. Yeah, there we go. Pay that thing. Hmm. Not really saying anything on that one. Not really saying anything on that one. Hmm. Well, it's probably already played out. Yeah. Um, yeah, I have no idea what's about to happen next. So I think it makes sense to go ahead. Let's go back to how I like it. And just make sure this one's saved. Make sure this one's saved. Now I don't have anything that needs changing. What's our time? Okay, I got 20 minutes or so. Okay. I don't think I changed anything, but we'll just go ahead and save that one. Now let's go look at some of these other coins. What is actually available on this? Oh, let's look at EOS. Let's look at Stellar. I need to. Let's look at Chainlink. Augur, holy cow. Augur's on Coinbase. Let's look at this Uniswap one. Let's look at Balancer. Okay, let's go look at these. Do I want to look at long-term charts? Yeah, well, I just don't want to confuse myself. Let's go look at Stellar first. Wow, Stellar starting popping. Yeah, I need to look at a longer chart. Man, this is crap. What, Binance? I don't know about these other exchanges. Let's just go look at Binance. I know it'll be at least a little bit longer. Jeez, Binance, why do you have so many coins? Holy crap. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Ridiculous. I want to see the history of this chart. I don't feel like looking, what, Bitfinex maybe? Let's just see if they can carry this thing. Okay, looks like they have it the same. May 2018. I guess that's probably about right. Was this his coin debut? Let's just go look at. Okay, thought so. Alright. I can probably just use this chart to make my labels. Um, can I set in a thing? Oh, I sure can, can't I? Okay, that's cute. Um, oh wow, Stellar was a thing all the way back here. Holy cow. Okay, so this is, it pumped up, descending triangle, came down here, now we're build into a cup and handle. Is this one going to break its former all-time highs? It's probably going to reach up to this level though. What's this peak up here at 59? Man, that's not bad. But man, these ranges are so crazy. What the hell? Oh, what a terrifying chart. What a terrifying chart. How will you trade this? You get lucky. That's how you trade this. All right. Let's put in some levels because what in the heck am I looking at? All right. Definitely got us a level right now. And that's going to be our base level. All right. I don't even care about that upside. Jeez. All right. I can another one like right here. Oh, none of these are perfect. Okay, yeah, that one looks good. Holy cow. So many levels and moves. All right, this is from this man, 3 months. What the hell? Oh, man, I'm sure I have some Stellar too. This used to be one of my favorite ones. Um, yeah, man, so many levels on this one. It's clearly an ascending triangle building right here. Let's see how this looks on a 4 hour. Wow, that is pretty. What the heck is that? Yeah, let's do pink for diagonals. That works. Could even do this, couldn't I? Oh, yeah, I like that. Oh, I guess I could just use a triangle tool. That will work also. Okay, I like the way that looks. And that means it could come up here and make a larger ascending triangle. This would not be a bad buy. Where would I put in a stop? Oh my goodness. Well, the triangle fails. But see, this thing can shake you out. God. If I had a small, there's no, how would you manage risk on this? I cannot. Okay, there's 3%. This wouldn't be a bad one. Ugh. And what? I'm gonna buy all the way down to that line. What is my time horizon on these trades? That's what I need to determine. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to mark up these charts and watch them and try to avoid FOMO. Oh man, I need to match this up. Oh, and I did do this one on Bitfinex, so I can actually see where these levels hit. Okay, nowhere close to these levels. Okay, well that one's interesting, but I don't know where the chart starts. Okay, so this one's good for now. And nope, nope, not that. We want to save as this one is XLM. XLM. Let's just say SLM levels, because that's all we're doing here is putting in the levels. Alright, save, and those 12-hour Stokes have definitely turned down, though I'm not sure how hard they hit on this one. Wow, that looks crazy for a 12-hour Stokes. Okay. I wonder if that volume signature is accurate for an ascending triangle right there. Okay, got that one. That's probably all I have time for. Let's. Do I want to keep doing this on Bittrex? Not really. No, I need to do this on GDAX / Coinbase Pro is what this is. Crap. Ola. Ooh, look at OMG. I used to like that one too. Let's look at Link. Oh, let's look at. Yeah, this is gonna be the last one I'll be able to do. Let's look at XLM and Bitcoin. Because this is the really interesting chart. Jeez, what is this crap? Oh man, what the hell? What? Okay, I just want to run away from this chart, but let's. It matters more than the other one. I have to chart it. Crap, I don't want to do this right now. This chart just looks so crazy. This chart just looks so crazy. Scare me. No, it didn't even play. It just broke through it twice and whipped. Okay, what about this one? Man, we have to keep these in here. It's unreasonable markets. It's just whatever. Let's make this a little zone. Clearly insignificant zone, but whatever. Let's turn off this volume. Jeez. It's just an unreasonable chart. Just totally unreasonable. Totally unreasonable. Totally unreasonable. I have no idea where I would buy or sell this thing. I don't even see a way to get in. I should have done balancer first, but all right, there is my updates on my main charts, and then oh, I had to, so now I need to save this one as XLM BTC levels. Okay, there we go. There we go. Save that. Okay. Um, I have no idea what I'm going to do on this one, but there's my update on my main charts, and then a new altcoin plotted out, or its levels established. I'll will need to continue to revisit this one to see what actually makes sense on this chart. The XLM bit or the XLM dollar chart is more reasonable, and I could read it a little bit better. But Bitcoin and Stellar playing against each other is this is hard to know what's going on this chart. But um, I'll watch it and see what I can start to learn on this one, and then some of these other ones because there's 30% in a day plays going on right now, and I'm sure I could find one of those and capture at least 15% of that fairly easily. I just have to start to look at these charts, and so I'm going to start making time for that on this one. I'm also going to be more diligent about get in and get out. I'm not really doing on any of these. I mean, some of these could turn into a long-term position as we do some research across these different cryptos, but all these are going to be get in, get out trades with a very specific sell target and stop losses and things like that, as opposed to the way I've been doing my trade so far. So of those, I'm looking Ethereum buy levels here, Bitcoin at similar levels, though not as deep into this price action. Let's just look at it one last time. Load. Bitcoin potentially buy on this line or buy in this zone. I mean, this zone if it comes down here for sure, but I would expect this level to play at least one more time before breaking if it's going to break. I'm going to watch to see whether the 12-hour confirms is crossed downward, and that may determine me selling profit from my positions down here and getting out and letting it see how low it wants to go. I don't expect this level to play unless it's on some sort of wick action like this. And that's that. On the upside, I mean, maybe this level, closing above this level, but really on a 12-hour or daily, but really just getting above this one and closing on a 12-hour, having a close above this 51,700. Then I'll probably expect us to go ahead and run up here. And if we run up here and close in this box or above this line, probably, then I would expect new all-time highs, fairly soon after that. Maybe come down and test this level or something, but probably not. However, I do think I think this is going to play longer, more similar to what this one did. I think this is going to play out a little bit longer, and altcoins are going to pop for a while. And so that's part of the reason that I'm doing levels on those and looking for where the opportunities are. So I'll stop rambling on this one. Sorry for all the silence as I drew my levels, but you saw some of the things. Maybe if you watch my stupid video, you saw some of the things I was seeing on the charts, and maybe while I was laying those out, maybe not. But this is mostly for me. Do not follow my stupid trades. You can look at my level and see if they match up with yours, but definitely choose better traders than me, as I do, using Crown and Tone Vays and Benjamin Cohen or whoever I feel like looking at any given day to see what what their analysis is. So I'll shut up. If you have any questions about that thing, let me know. Peace.